This is a cottage in the middle of the city of London, city of Westminster, near the number 10 Downing Street. And you can see they have a orchard, they have an allotment, they have some beds, bird cage. This is apple, and you can see there are some bushes of the red currant and gooseberries and courgette they're going to plant here, kale, purple sprouting broccoli, cauliflower, cabbages, peas, and chard, and onions, and the fennel, and the lettuces, and the tourists, and the more. Oh, that's the. Oh, forgot. Yeah. So onion, little onions, it gives shallot, and more spinach and lettuces and everything. And this is called Duck Island Cottage, sweet chalet for British bird keeper. And that's the way it looks. Royal Parks. And I can say that it's a beautiful place. Does it owned by anyone? No, onion endive. Oh, look at that. Radicchios. Oh, look at this. Wigwams, tepees. Lovely. That's the middle of the London. Look, just show you where is it. Is all the government offices. Must take a good care of it. White onions. If you've not done yours, you can do yours. Oh, here, rosemary. Beans, broad beans. They planted the potatoes here, and that is for forcing the rhubarb, and you can see some globe artichoke. Such a tiny plot, but yet they have a lot. Strawberries there, you can see. They have there also the chives and potatoes, Amori, Highland, Sentanta, Apache, and lovely mint. Lots of marjoram, mint. Oh, this is the coriander going to seed gradually. More rhubarbs and lovely flowers, fennel. And as you can see, there are more here. Oh, they have one flower bed, and there is also a beautiful park hotel. So there is everything, and they have a pond to encourage the wildlife. Isn't it beautiful? Somebody dropped the bag of crisps. And that's the door of the Swiss cottage. Burges cottage. Oh, look, the little space here. In this space they're growing something, including nettles. And this is the private office, so you cannot go there. And all kind of wildlife is encouraged, so you cannot access that area. It's a wild area, wild part of it. It's a good time of the year to go and have a look. Let us see the little orchard, what they have in the orchard. Of course, Chinese leek, spinach. Okay, that doesn't look like Chinese cabbage. Chinese leaves here, Chinese cabbage. Kohlrabi. Oh, they put their beans already on. Yeah, okay, it's London here is wrong. And pear, apple, pear, and that one is either it's cherry or plum. I think either cherry or plum. Looks more like cherry, but anyway, you have to wait and see. Lots of soft fruit, Lots of raspberry. Such a tiny land, and look, they have done it all here. That's the way the life was here. Okay, let me just go here, have a look here. Now you can see the strawberries here, full of strawberries, different varieties. Look at these big ones, Cambridge probably. And there are herbs here. Red onion, they are put in the wild. They just show it in the night also with that floodlight. And that's a big, yeah, that's a big red currant. Oh no, black currant. The wood look like black currant. And there are boxes of herbs. Amazing. And beans. More beans there. And some more beans here. So you have to do a lot more here. If you have not done your gardening, learn from this place. All the ideas are there. Susan, how you feel? We have harvested, how many funnels? 1.5 funnel. That's around at this £10 value. This is the Horticultural Society.